Alright guys, what it is, your boy X coming at you guys with another video, and of course we gotta talk about it. It's the biggest thing going on in finance today, and pretty much probably just a day in general. The stock market is crashing. It's coming down, bro. It's just a straight doom and gloom. Doom and gloom. It's tragic. People are catching L's. People are panicking. People are selling off. Is this the bubble? Is this the end of all days? Wild. But let's get into today's video so I can tell you what's really going on. Alright guys, so before we get into the video today, would you mind subscribing to the channel and more definitely liking this video? If you like what I got to say, like I said, if you don't like me, hey, you ain't gotta like it, but be nice if you like the video. Appreciate it. Hit that subscribe button too. But today we want to talk about the stock market. It is crashing. Red, 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 and a lot of panicking and a lot of sell-off. So today I'm going to tell you what's red, what's green, what the play is, and what am I doing in these red days. Now, first off, let me just say, for all my AMC holders with these diamond hands, out of everything that's turning red, we talking everything turning red, including Tesla, is one stock that is shining very, very bright, and that's AMC. And guess who been holding his AMC? Me. And I want to plug myself right now, because if you read my shirt, you hear me, it is not a loss until you sell. I made this shirt because I believe in AMC, and guess what? Yeah, we on our way back up. The squeeze is coming, people. Do not give up. Hold strong. But outside of the good news for AMC, we are on the come up. I do believe that the potential is still there for a squeeze. We had a lot of volume today, and the reason we had a lot of volume today is because these other stocks are falling. And oh look, everybody see AMC doing what it's been planning on doing for the longest, and they trying to hop on the bandwagon. But us true AMC holders already knew this was coming. I'm extremely excited about that actually. But the market is most definitely turning red. I'm reading all over the place. Oh, I lost 8K today. Oh, I'm down 4K today. Oh my God. Should I sell? What do I do? Is Tesla a buy? Tesla's always a buy. If you're wondering. But so what am I doing in this market since it's so crazy? Truth to be not, I did sell some of my AMC shares. I was really trying not to. I still have a decent amount, but I did sell out of some. I'm gonna tell you guys, because I like you guys, I had the potential to get a rental property and I could not pass it up. I needed a couple extra dollars to make sure I got the transaction done, so I did sell off a couple shares of my AMC so I can get that done. But I am still holding strong. Outside of that, what else I'm doing is any stock that I was holding prior to, if it did a good dip, I did buy in. For instance, if you guys watched my last video, you know I invested into a stock with ticker symbol TELL. I had about 600 shares of this company. They were making game-changing things happening. They were paying off large portions of their debt, and they have a little debt remaining, but production for their company this year should squash over half of their debt that is left. I'm really liking their game plan, their strategy, and how they're moving forward. So I did buy shares, but they did drop a little today due to the red market. So I did scoop up another additional 100 shares. So yes, that's the play. Like I said, you don't have to buy what I buy, but I'm saying the play is if you have stocks in your portfolio and you are very diamond handish, today and days like yesterday are days where you should get extremely excited, because you can buy more shares of those companies at a very low price, which will lower your cost basis. and that is something you really like to do. I know a lot of people don't understand the actual ins and outs of the stock market, but that is one of them. On days like today and yesterday, when the market is just green and your stock is plummeting and you're losing money, the best way to reconcile that is to buy more shares. I know you're thinking, well, would I buy more? It's going down. It's the cost basis. Say you bought a stock at $4, right? And then that stock goes down to $3. If you buy more at $3, your cost basis, which was $4 a share, would drop to like $3.80 a share. So that means you're getting 20 cents per share back. So whenever that stock starts to rise up again, you're making more money because your cost basis is lower. This is what you guys want. Do your due diligence on this, learn about cost basing and why red days are some of the most productive days out there. So what am I doing? What is the strategy? Buying the dip, because it is not a loss until you sell, my people. These are facts. Also, if you would like to get your hands on this shirt with this premium quote here, but the link will be down in the description if you're interested in purchasing the shirt. I created the shirt probably a couple weeks ago when I was very bullish on AMC. Still am, but I bought two. So like I said, if you guys want to see it, that's it. Amazing shirt, amazing quote. Yes, but the link for that will be down in the description. But this all I have to say for this video. Do not forget to subscribe to my channel, or definitely like this video. And for all my AMC holders, we holding strong. So it's your boy Exia, and I'm out.